What's up, everyone? Today we have this. It's a FoodSaver shrink wrap, I think, for food. Vacuum sealing system for food. Well, I don't have any food to demonstrate, so just expect an unboxing. I'm going to show you what's inside it. So, what's inside the box? What'd you get? The box is pretty damaged when it arrived, as you can see. So it looks like you get some bags included to make some shrink wrap for the food. Instructions. And if I can get the box off. Here it is, the machine itself. Much smaller than I expected it to be. I don't know if that's a good thing or what, but I guess so. Less countertop space taken up, something like that. Hey, okay. How do you put it back? Well, I guess that would just be hanging out there for the rest of its life. So, it comes with a drip tray. Flip the lid to get started. Okay, so it has instructions. I'll put that in. So apparently this is the drip tray. And there's some electrical contacts on it. Okay. Guess that rewinds the accessory thing. You got some tape there. It says open the door and place the roll into the roll holder. And this looks like to be the roll that they are talking about. If I can get it open. Okay. Now let me check. 1, 2. Open this. Drop the roll. Bag. Huh? So the machine doesn't do it for you? Wait, let me get this straight. So the machine doesn't cut the amount of roll you need for you? Hang on. Place it underneath the cutter bar. Alright, hold on. And slice it. And then vacuum seal it. So the operation is simple enough, but it's just not automated. That's okay. And they say to stick it in there and then press seal, which would then, well, seal your item. Let's see what these other stuff's for. They look like Ziploc bags or something like that. And then this is, put that here and it seals it. That's what it says on the bag. So yeah, now I don't know how to retract that. Is there a special button you can press? Or do you just push that? No, you don't push that back in. Oh, there it goes. Alright, it retracted. You just gotta give it a nice tug. So it's all the way. Yeah, give it a nice enough tug and it'll go back in there, or it'll fall right out. So I'm not sure. I just unboxed it, as you know. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.